Hi guys, welcome to my first video of 2019. I'm giving you my epic meal prep video. This year on my channel, I am going hard with the health and fitness content, and I really want to start it off right with something that is related to food, because whether your goals are to lose weight, gain weight, put on muscle, become more flexible, whatever, food is going to be the biggest component of that, not exercise like I'm sure many people do think. Food is what is going to get you to your goals the fastest. So today I am doing a few hours of meal prep. These are all my ingredients that I'm going to use to put all the meals together. I did show you in a previous video my containers that I purchased. You're gonna see that later on when I divide everything up, but for now this is what we're working with. Lots of veggies, lean meat. My lean meat of choice today is gonna be chicken breast, so let's get started. So here you see me starting to cook up my chicken breasts. I just sliced them in half because they were pretty thick, and I'm just doing that on my stovetop with my grill pan that I love. Highly recommend getting a grill pan. I use it almost every damn day. It's so good. So I just seasoned my chicken with just some herbs I had lying around. This is some brown rice. I'm doing two kinds of rice for this meal prep. This is my brown rice that I'm cooking up here on the stovetop. And now over here, this is my white rice that I'm cooking in my Breville cooker. I love this thing. Highly recommend. Just like my grill pan, I use it all the time. So convenient. Put your ingredients in, turn it on, and that's it. So I'm doing two kinds of rice. I do enjoy eating both white and brown rice. Here are all the veggies you saw at the beginning. I just cut them all up. Some broccoli, sweet potato, yellow potatoes, some bell peppers, and I just seasoned them with some oil, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Very simple. I'm gonna just roast this whole pan. This is a very crowded pan. I don't necessarily recommend filling up your pan this much, but hey, I only have one, so that's what it is. I love all the colors. I love eating with my eyes. We all do. We eat with our eyes as well as our mouths, so make your food look good. Make it look colorful and appetizing to eat. And here we have even more vegetables. I just put together a very simple garden salad, just romaine lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, and some English cucumber. That's all. I will put a light little vinaigrette dressing on it when I am ready to eat it, but salads are pretty much a daily staple in my diet. Year-round, no matter what my fitness goals really are. I'm not that person that's going to be chowing down on salads every day just because I'm trying to lose weight. I've always loved salads since I was a kid, and it's just a great way to, you know, fill you up without putting in a lot of calories. Salads are clutch. So here it is, guys, the final product, everything plated and ready to be stored away, to be eaten whenever. Meal prep does take several hours out of your day. It is a lengthy process, but it is worth it. I promise you guys, it is really essential for anyone, regardless of what your health or fitness goals are, to do meal prep. I have to do it. I can't just go on the fly and figure I'm just gonna find something to eat whenever, wherever I need it. I have to have my meals pre-planned, pre-prepped, ready to go, just to make things easier. And when you know you've put in this kind of work, you won't go out and buy crap, because it's just too painful knowing that you put in all this effort and then not eat the food. No, you're gonna eat this because you did it and you don't want your hard work to go down the drain. So here is all the food that you saw in the beginning, all prepared, all portioned out. And I really hope that you guys are going to be motivated and excited to do your own meal prep. It is really going to be essential for you this year, 2019. Let's start it off right so we can all achieve our goals and be our best selves. Thanks, guys. Bye.